Hello and welcome, my name is Andre Palmer, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create the reggae checker sound, and then we'll be arranging our beat and finalizing everything in this video. So let's get to it. Alright, to begin we're going to create a new pattern and call that guitar. We'll be going to add an instance of FL Slayer. It comes with a copy of FL Studio, and then we'll be selecting the clean pattern unplugged, because we'll be modifying this to create the sound that we want. But before we start modifying the sound, we're going to copy the piano bang, because basically it's the same notes. So we're going to select none, turn down the strumming speed. Alright, so to get that checker sound, you want the muted guitar sound. So we're going to be modifying the damp setting on the FL Slayer plugin. We're going to push it all the way, and then we're going to turn up the velocity until we find something that we like. Okay, under the effects, we're going to select the multi-tap delay, because you're going to hear the sound of the guitar with the delay. So what you want to do is modify the delay till you hear it. Like. Alright, that's what we're looking for. Alright, so let's add that to the playlist, and then let's hear how it sounds with everything together. As you notice, this is just basically the backbone of where you start when you're creating your beat. You will add a lot more stuff to this in terms of more melody lines on top of this. There are brass you can add. But this is just basically a bare bones reggae beat. So to arrange it now into a song has three main sections that you want to consider: intro, verse, chorus, and some songs may have a bridge, and then the outro. So for most reggae songs, it's 8 bars right throughout: 8-bar intro, 8-bar verse, 8-bar chorus, 8-bar bridge. Sometimes you have 4, but that's basically, if you listen to a lot more songs and analyze them in terms of how they are arranged in terms of the length of each section, basically it's mostly 8 bars. It differs, but to keep it safe, we keep it at 8 bars. So our beat so far is 4 bars. So we're going to loop it, copy it to 8 bars, and then that's basically the sections. And before we even move on now, we're going to make some modification to the drums. So we're going to go to the drums, copy what we have, and then create a pattern and call it drum fills. So what we're going to do is modify the drums to help with the transition from each section. Alright, so that's one. Sometimes you just want two to kind of break up the beat so it don't sound monotonous. Alright, we're just using those two. Instead of just deleting and then adding the new pattern, what we can do is left click to bring up the menu and then select pattern source, and then we're going to select drum fill 2 for the first 4 bars and then drum fill for the last bar to help with the transition now. 2. Alright, to duplicate easily, we just select Control B and it duplicates right at the end. And let's add probably a pad sound to kind of differentiate between the verse and the chorus. We're going to use Citrus again, and we're going to try to find a nice little string sound. I'm going to use Warm. And basically you reuse the chords, but we're going to modify it a little bit. Copy, select pad, and we're going to add our sound. Just need one and delete. What we're doing now is creating something to embed underneath the sections of the song to differentiate it. That's just something to hold it out. Alright, so let's listen. So that's basically our beat. We arranged our beat, we add our drums, we add our bass line, we added piano, organ bubble, we added our guitar checker, and we added a string sound to embellish it, to differentiate between the verse and the chorus. How many verses and how many choruses you added depend on the artist that you're working with, depending on what you want. Some songs have 2 verses and some songs have 3 verses. So it just all depends on the artist that you're working with. Thanks for watching. That's it for a video. That's it for a tutorial. Thanks for watching. My name is Andre Palmer for representing Remla Productions. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have regarding building beats in FL Studio 20 or any version of FL Studio that you have. Yeah, like, subscribe if you don't, hit the notification bell if you're on YouTube. Like the page if you're on Facebook, and God bless. One love.